How to recover your WeChat account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how you can easily recover your WeChat account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now, let's jump right in. First thing first, you'll have to open up your WeChat application and then you will be shown on the login page, so you can either tap on login or sign up. If you already have an account, you just tap in, and here you have an option to enter your country or region and then your phone number and accept and continue. So if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just simply tap on unable to log in like this, and a new web page will open inside your app. Here you have multiple options. You can either log in via mobile number or SMS code. You can link your login via your QQ ID or QQ password, or you can send a reset link on your email. I'm just going to send a reset link on my email. Just tap on it and enter your email. And once you have entered your email, just go ahead and tap on next. And as you can see, the message has been sent to my email. So you can just check your email to get the reset link of your account. If you cannot get the login code, then you can just log in via your SMS number depending on your account setup. So just tap on login via SMS verification code. Now just go ahead and tap on get SMS. You will just have to complete this simple captcha right here, and then as you can see, they have said they will send an SMS verification code on the following phone number. So just tap on OK. And once you get the verification code, just enter it right here and you should be able to log into your account. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.